Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I'm gonna be playing with the new Colourpop and Rudolph collection. I'm so excited. I just got this sent to me from the brand last night and it is so cute. I love Rudolph. It's one of my favorite things about Christmas time. I have so many cute little Rudolph plushies that I put out during this time of year, and I'm so excited. When they first posted a sneak peek that there was going to be a Rudolph collab in general, I squealed. I was so excited. This just makes me so full of love and cozy feels. They have already launched a holiday collection. It was the Roaring Hearts, and I actually just filmed an Instagram video with it last night, which might be up either before or after this video. I'm not quite sure, but that will be an Instagram video. But this holiday collection gets me way more excited, for sure. There are lots of things in this collection, lots of cute characters, and I'm super excited to jump into it. I'm gonna be doing close-ups and swatches. I created this look using most of the products, and at the end of the video, I'll give you my thoughts on everything so far. Before we get into all that though, let me just give you my jewelry details really quick. These plugs are from Love Kills Boutique, and this necklace is from Ana Luisa. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in and get into chatting about these products. Oh, I don't even know where to start. Let's start with the cutest hair clips of all time. Can we normalize wearing these literally all the time? They're just so stinking cute. I can't take it. I love them so much. There's also a bath bomb in this collection from Soul Body. I will say I wish there were more like Bumble Abominable Snowman references in this collection, but I'm happy with this at least. I've actually yet to try one of their bath melts. I have another one, but I haven't used it yet, so I need to try this. Maybe I'll use it tonight depending on how much editing I'm able to get done before work today, or if I need to work tonight. I might use this tonight. There is a Rudolph and Clarice lip scrub and lip mask. Yeah, they don't have any fancy names. They're just the lip scrub and lip mask. They have kind of a pepperminty scent and I really love it. The packaging they come in is so cute. It's a little Rudolph and Clarice and their ornaments. I'm absolutely putting this on our upstairs tree, I think, because they would look so cute. I love them. I guess keeping with lips, there's a lot of lip products in this collection. There's a couple of Misfits Luxe Lip Trio. It includes the shades Dolly, Hermie, and Misfit Elephant. We have kind of a pinky red shade, which is Dolly. Hermie is more of just like that clear with sparkles in it. And Misfit Elephant is more of that peachy kind of vibe. I really like the Luxe lip glosses, so I'm excited to see those. Although I do feel like this is a very lip heavy collection. I don't feel like we needed all of the lip products because we have lip masks, lip glosses, and now we're about to get into two more lip duos. Next we have two lip duos. We have I Think You're Cute, which is Clarice's. It has a Clarice Luxe lipstick and lip liner. And then There's Always Tomorrow is the Rudolph one with the Rudolph lipstick and Rudolph lip liner. Clarice is just a neutral duo and Rudolph is a red duo, which I'm wearing currently. I actually think the shades for those are pretty perfect. Red for Rudolph and Clarice matches that shade of neutral really nicely, so I think that's very fitting. We have a highlight in this collection. This one is from Soul Body. This is in the shade Jingle Jingle Jingle. It's a very soft kind of neutrally champagne-y highlight with a little bit of a pink glow to it. It's really pretty. I don't have one quite like this. It's not an insane highlight. It's not super beaming from outer space or anything, but it's a very soft, just pretty highlight. And last but not least, we have the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer palette. It is 15 shades. It is so stinking cute. We have kind of just various tones of neutrals going into red tones, going into greens. My main nitpicky thing with this is I wish there was a bright red matte. There is like kind of a darker burgundy matte. I wish there was a bright red matte. I think that would have made this like kicked up another notch, but I like that there's the multiple shades of green, have a couple different warm reddish tones. It's a little neutral heavy for my liking, but I feel like they've gone more neutral heavy in the past, so I think this is more of a good balance. I do feel like this vibe could have been condensed down into a 9-pan palette, but I'm not mad at this. There's no pressed glitters, no sequin shadows, just mattes and shimmers. I think it's pretty cute. I'm pretty okay with this, honestly. So yeah, there's an overview of the collection for you. Now we are going to hop in and actually create this look. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I'm really feeling it. It's just so festive and fun. At the end of the video, I will give you my thoughts on everything so far. Hi, hello, how's it going? I feel so stinking cute with these little hair clips. I can't take it. Okay, so I've already done the majority of my makeup. We're just gonna do highlight together and then eyeshadow because those are the products that are in the collection. Oh, and lips, of course. I actually think this highlight might work for me. I was doing my swatches already for the beginning part of the video and this seems like it might actually work. I was worried that it might be too dark, but I think it'll work. It's called Jingle 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 and I'm so excited. I actually really hope it works because the packaging is adorable. This is my Kaleidos H2 highlight brush. Let's give her a whirl and see. Ooh, I think that's working actually. I think that's cute. It's very subtle. This is definitely not a bam in your face kind of highlight, but it's really pretty. I like the kind of soft pink shift to it. I think that's cute. I'm okay with that. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm getting ready for work today and all my guests in my salon are gonna think that I'm just in full on Christmas mode, and you know what? They'd be right. I've had my tree up since November 1st. Thank you very much. Okay, let's, actually I'm gonna spray my face really quick. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray, and then we'll move on to the eyes. I also did already apply the lip scrub and lip mask a little while ago, like before I started this video, and I like them. They're very pepperminty smelling and they're delightful. I really like the lip scrub and lip mask formula from them. It's just very gentle as far as the scrub goes, but it really makes my lips feel soft. And then the mask is just a nice, thick but not too thick and very nourishing feeling. I really enjoy it. All right, let's dive into eyeshadow. I think I'll prime with the Party Proof Translucent Eye Primer. Let's just stick with some Colourpop today. Between this one and the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer, those are my two favorites. I think I will play with a lot of the greens today, and then I do plan on doing an Instagram video, so maybe I'll play with more of the reds in that video. So I want to do it all. I have so many ideas. But I do think I want to play with the greens because there's also this really pretty like grungy dirty olive green next to this brighter green, and I think those will look really cute. So I'm going in first with the brighter green Christmassy time, and I'm actually going to use a lot of my new MOTD Cosmetics brushes for this. This is the B1. I really like these. I used it for the first time, well, not it, them, for the first time yesterday, and I immediately cleaned them so I could use them again because they're so soft and so tiny, and they worked wonderfully, so I want to use them again. So I'm going to just kind of focus this shade just kind of all around. Lower lash line, through the crease, outer corner. I want this to be pretty prominent. I'm just kind of softly and slowly extending this outer corner just a wee bit. I am gonna leave the front area blank because I think that's where I want to kind of play with that grungier green. So now I'm just gonna take Mush Mush right here. I love the names in this palette. I love this movie so much. I usually watch it at least twice every Christmas time. I'm gonna use the B5 from Blend Bunny. I'm only gonna use a really tiny bit of this because I'm not trying to make it look gray, but I do think this soft gray color might blend this green out really nicely. I am a little sad that they don't really have a whole lot of Yukon Cornelia stuff. Like we have Mush Mush, which is like what he says, but they didn't really do Yukon Cornelius things with this collection, and he's so iconic. I think my favorite line in the whole movie, I have a lot of favorite lines, but one of my favorite parts is they're all traveling and it's like super foggy, and then Yukon Cornelius says, "Fog as thick as peanut butter." And Hermie says, "You mean pea soup?" And he goes, "You eat what you like and I'll eat what I like." Oh, it gets me every time. Okay, moving on, we have Gadzooks right here. I'm gonna take that on the B4. It's just like an even smaller one than the first brush I used, just so I can tuck it nicely right in here. I am gonna be doing some half cut creasy stuff, so I do wanna make sure this is a little bit high so that it can still show. I just want to make sure this kind of nice, lovely, grungy green is having its moment. And I always like to put a little bit of extra emphasis here in the front by my brow. And then I'm just gonna take that B5 brush that I used before with no additional product, just to really go ham on the edges here. Okay, so now I wanna start working on the lid, so I'm gonna take my NYX Glitter Primer because I use it with all of my shimmers, and I'm gonna take that on an Alter Ego number 8 brush. I'm just going to slap this on the lid, and I'm going to just kind of pretend to carve out where I want my cut creasy stuff to be. What I prefer for my eye shape is directly above my natural crease, like just slightly, and following the roundness of my eyeball. What are your favorite Christmas movies? I would love to hear it. Noelle on Disney Plus is my #1 favorite ever since it came out a couple years ago, but I love this OG Rudolph. I love Home Alone. I love the old Frosty the Snowman cartoons. I love so many. I love the Peanuts Christmas stuff. It's just all so cute. It makes me so happy. All right, so I'm gonna take e.l.f. practice, and I want this to be like the majority of my lid. I want this bright green moment to really shine through. Oh, it's such a pretty green. I don't associate all greens with Christmas, but these two particular shades I think are so lovely. I kind of just followed my cut crease and I did the majority of my lid, leaving this little gap at the bottom so I can add something darker. So now I really do want to take Up and Away right there. Up and away. Excuse me, I don't know how to read. I'm just taking this tiny little smudgy brush from Colourpop in E8, and I just want to plop this down here just to add some depth and a little bit of dimension. I think it'll be cute, just add a little bit of something different. I quite enjoy that. I think that just added a little bit of extra interest. I'm gonna take that very first brush I used with the green, no additional product, just to very lightly smudge just around this outer edge so that the shimmers and mattes flow nicely together. So I do wanna incorporate some red. I thought I was just gonna play with the greens, but now that I added that, I wanna play with even more red. So I'm gonna take Handsome Nose, the shimmer red. I'm just gonna take it on the B3 from the Blend Bunny brushes. And I want to smudge it in the front part of my lower lash line. Ooh, I'm so excited. I didn't expect to do a holiday look so early into the year. Like I thought it was going to be December when I started doing holiday looks, but here we are. Just going to use my white handled brush from before, the B5. I swear I'm just gonna like call these by the color of the brush, not even by their name. And then last but not least, for the inner corner, I want to use Misfit Toys because that shade is magical. I am just going to plop that right there. Oh, it's so pretty. I do want to play with this all over the lip. I might do something with this and the red together for my Instagram look. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and throw on my lashes, an eye pencil, and something on my lips. It's gonna be some combination of the lip products because there are a lot of lip products in this collection. And I will be back when I'm complete. All right, here's my look completed. I think it's really pretty, very festive. I'm very happy with it. I'm terrified that I'm gonna get lipstick on my teeth, so if you see lipstick on my teeth, mind your business. All right, so for my lips, I did go with the Rudolph bundle, the lip liner and lipstick, and I topped it with a little bit of the Dolly gloss just to give it a little bit of a sheen, you know. The eye pencil I picked is Black Flame Candle, actually from the Hocus Pocus collection, just because I wanted to play with more of those greens. I thought it would be pretty. And these lashes are from Salon Cosmetics called Ghost Face. This is my look complete. I hope you like it. Let me zoom out and we will chat about these products some more. All right, how was it? Did you enjoy my tutorial? What do you think about these products? I would love to hear your thoughts. I don't feel like there's really much I can really add to my thoughts that I haven't already said, but I'll just kind of quickly run through it. Obviously, I haven't used the bath melt yet, but I will try to use that soon. If I use it before my PR roundup review video, I will try to remember to let you know. Time depending. I've been working nonstop lately, so we'll see how it goes. I'm really happy about the lip scrub and lip mask. I use their lip scrub all the time, and I use their lip mask pretty frequently in conjunction with my Kaleidos one, so I'm happy to have some more in my collection, and I love the peppermint scent. Peppermint is like my favorite thing ever, especially this time of year. I think the Luxe lip gloss trio is cute. I feel like it's definitely been done before quite a few times. I feel like these are kind of the shades they always resort to. They're cute, but I don't know if these are a must-have personally. The lip duos I actually think are a cuter match with this collection than the lip glosses. I like that the Rudolph is just the red duo and Clarice is the neutral duo. I think it's cute. Again, it's not anything revolutionary, but I do think it's cute and I think it vibes really well. The highlights packaging is so stinking cute. I'm pretty okay with this. I like that it suits my skin tone, but I'm also glad that it's not so icy white that it wouldn't be able to suit a lot more people. I think this will be able to stretch across a good range of people, and I think it's a really pretty tone. I really like that very soft pink glow to it. And we have the palette. Again, I'm pretty content with this. I do feel like it could have been condensed to be a tiny bit smaller, and I also do wish there was a bright matte red, but for the most part, I'm pretty okay with this. I like the shimmers that they chose. Overall, I'm pretty content with this palette. I think it's cute. It has a good mix of grungy neutrals, richer tones, but also lighter things to do something a little bit lighter and more bright and fun. I think this is pretty cute. I'm pretty happy with this. I actually think this one looks cuter in person than it did in pictures. Their pictures didn't really, I feel like, show the tones very well. I think this is very lovely. That is the Rudolph collection. I would love to hear your thoughts. Did you pick anything up? Do you want to pick anything up? Honestly, my favorite thing are the clips. I swear to you that my favorite thing are the clips. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a reindeer emoji. It exists, I promise you. It's hiding, but it exists. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything. I post every day on Instagram, and I'm pretty active on TikTok and Twitter as well. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I post most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.